Employee management is critical to the efficient operation of any retail firm. Recognizing this, Shopify POS provides sophisticated tools meant to simplify and streamline personnel management operations. Shopify POS enables shops to successfully manage their staff, from clock-in and out capabilities to commission tracking and role-based access control. In this video, we will examine the significance and benefits of Shopify POS employee management features, demonstrating how they optimize timekeeping, improve commission tracking, and provide precise control over employee access and permissions, ultimately fostering efficiency, productivity, and operational excellence. Clock-in/clock-out timekeeping. The clock-in and out capability in Shopify POS allows retailers to effectively manage employee work hours and expedite payroll operations. Employees may effortlessly clock in and out using the POS system, properly documenting their working hours. By automating timekeeping, merchants can remove manual timekeeping techniques, eliminating errors and potential disparities. The system tracks clock in and out timings, allowing for correct estimation of employee hours for payroll purposes. This automation streamlines administrative tasks and saves time for both companies and employees. Furthermore, Shopify POS's clock in and out capability gives retailers visibility into employee schedules and shift coverage. Retailers can effectively manage employee work hours, ensure proper staffing levels, and make intelligent scheduling and resource allocation decisions. Commission tracking for performance evaluation. The commission tracking tool in Shopify POS enables retailers to effectively track and reward staff sales success. This feature enables shops to assign commissions to specific employees depending on their contribution to sales. Retailers can analyze employee performance and encourage sales excellence by tracking commissions within the POS system. This data-driven strategy encourages healthy competition among staff and inspires them to meet sales targets. The commission monitoring tool also improves transparency and fairness in reward systems. Employees may access their commission earnings within the Shopify POS system, increasing openness and creating confidence between employers and employees. Retailers can generate reports to monitor individual and team sales performance, identifying top performers and areas for development. This data-driven approach to commission tracking provides insights into sales trends, assists in identifying successful sales methods, and enables for focused coaching and training. Role-based access control for security and efficiency. The role-based access control, RBAC, functionality in Shopify POS allows retailers to limit employee access and permissions based on their jobs and responsibilities. This granular control ensures the protection of critical data and processes within the POS system. Retailers can use RBAC to assign distinct roles to employees, such as cashiers, managers, or supervisors, each with their own set of rights. This prevents unauthorized access to important activities such as refund processing, inventory management, or discount application, guaranteeing that only authorized workers can conduct these actions. RBAC increases not only security but also operational efficiency. Retailers can minimize errors, prevent unintentional data updates, and ensure data integrity within the POS system by providing employees access only to the functions and data related to their employment. RBAC also facilitates the onboarding and offboarding processes. When new employees join the team, retailers may grant them preset roles and permissions, ensuring they have access to the relevant functions right away. Similarly, when employees leave the firm, their access can be quickly cancelled, lowering the risk of unwanted access. Integration and scalability. Employee management tools in Shopify POS can be smoothly integrated into overall retail operations, making it suitable for enterprises of all sizes and scales. The system is simple to set up and configure, allowing merchants to define employee positions, arrange commission structures, and control access based on their specific business requirements. Whether running a single-store boutique or a multi-location retail chain, Shopify POS's staff management features are scalable, offering the tools needed to properly manage the workforce and enhance operational efficiency.